हेलो साथीहरु नमस्कार वेलकम अल अफ यु टु माई च्यानल आजको डिस्कसनमा ब्रिफली हामी चाहिँ बिजनेस फर्म्स को टाइप्स को बारेमा छलफल गर्नेछौँ या द्याट्स कल फर्म्स अफ बिजनेस अर्गनाइजेसन्स र त्यसपछि हामी चाहिँ बिजनेस एक्टिभिटिजमा कस्तो कस्तो एक्टिभिटिजहरु पर्दो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि द्याट कुड बी क्लियरिफाइड बाइ टुडे डिस्कसन फ्रेन्ड्स र इट्स अल अबाउट जस्तो कि इन्ट्रोडक्सन अफ फाइनान्शियल अकाउन्टिङ भनौँ या बिजनेस म्यानेजमेन्ट हामीले पढ्दाखेरि briefly types of business organization. First of all, you need to understand, friends. Now based on this background, let's talk about the what are the basic forms of business organization, friends. एउटा जस्तो कि sole proprietorship भन्छौँ, second one is the partnership form, and third one is the limited company. जस्तो कि for example, जस्तो कि sole proprietorship is all about in sole proprietorship हामी के गर्छौँ भने business will be run by the individual, which can say that who like take the risks and even enjoy the profit भन्छौँ हामी साथीहरु चाहिँ but the sole proprietors liability is unlimited भन्छौँ that's all about हामी भन्छौँ कि yeah if the business does not do well if your business is not doing well then you will be responsible towards paying your debt भन्छौँ and the sole proprietary form is often most appropriate no doubt when business is very small and is not expected to grow much भन्छौँ and that's why be your own boss that is your basic हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने हुन्छ साथीहरु चाहिँ you will be boss and you will be liable of your all debt and this is a small form को यदि तपाईको vision छ भने then you could start this sole proprietor भन्न सक्छौं now next let's talk about the what about the partnership form. Partnership भनिसकेपछि friends it's like two or more individuals agree to carry the business for their mutual benefit, mutual advantages भन्छौं. And this is all about friends कि हामीले अब like यसमा कस्तो हुन्छ भने simply all partners agree to share the profit and the losses and which is managed and the carried on their by all and some of them acting for as a partnership deed. That's all about your agreement between you can say that among the partners and each partner has limited liability. It's just different in that of sole proprietorship भन्छौं जसमा चाहिँ हामीले unlimited liability भनेको थियौं भने यसमा चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भने is a limited liability for all the debts obligations of the firm and is responsible for the liabilities in the forms of his fellow partner or the partners as well for his or her own भन्छौं हामी okay. Now what about the friends limited company जस्तो limited company भनिसकेपछि you need to understand this is the legal entity unlike the sole proprietorship or the partnership as per the company act you have to run your business and it most important point is that it has must of the right as a natural persons भन्छौं हामी and the laws lays down the rules of the functioning of the company. That means you are not going to do your business public company limited company भनौं that's you must your company must be guided by under the companies act भन्छौं र among others companies must prepare the periodic financial statement just the financial statement भनिसकेपछि हामी भन्छौं that's it's all about your annual report जस्तो कि your income statement your balance sheet your cash flow statements this all statement you need to let's see this all financial statement and get them audited as well र यसलाई हामी के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ this overall stakeholder को लागि चाहिँ it's very important friends and based on the transparency and disclosure as well as a public limited company we need to prepare the financial statement and get them audited as well and the statements are available for the inspection of the public registrar भन्छौं okay. Now what about the friends business activities अब business activities मा तपाईले के विचार गर्नु पर्यो भने this is simply we can say that business activities is all about we could categorize friends like your operating activities just okay. If you remember cash flow statement would have three activities cash flow from operating activities cash flow from financial activities and the third one is that investing activities. Now what do we understand by the operating activities friends under operating activities हामी के गर्छौं भने जस्तो कि business activities भन्ने बुझ्नु पर्यो जस्तो कि related to core business operations just what about the operating revenue operating cost that will be taken into account under these activities and this is all about it will help you to generate the cash flow. तपाईले के विचार गर्नु पर्यो भने when you are not doing your business properly, then your cash flow could be negative too, right? So operating cash flow could be negative, but if this is positive, that means you are doing your good business. Okay. Now, what about the financing activities? Just so if you remember, we have to we could do our business based on the financing the assets one. So asset would be financed with the debt and equity. Now what about the inflow? Inflow is all about like raising of the capital. Just the public companies have one. Company could raise the equity capital, yeah, debt capital. Just equity capital bandakari company could issue the through the initial public offering, just to ordinary share issue गर्न सक्छ, right? Raising the equity capital. Yeah, the company could raise the money from the issuance of the debt as well, just to bond debenture भन्छौँ. र outflow भनेको is all about company need to pay back the return to the investors. Just to dividend बाँड्नु पर्यो फेरि, yeah. Then like your interest payment गर्नु पर्यो, sometime redemption of debt भन्छौँ. This is all about your outflow of debt. This is all about inflow छ भने is the plus and outflow छ भने is the minus, right? Now what about the investment activities? Because we finance our project and for which we need to invest in different activities. Just okay, for example, our investment activities भनिसकेपछि as an investor point of view also you buy this share, yeah, buy the debenture भन्न सक्छौँ, you could be investor, yeah, you purchase and the sale of the asset one. So just to say purchase or sale of assets or the securities is all about financial. Just to stock हुन सक्छ, it could be commodities हुन सक्छ. But when we compile this operating cash flow, yeah, cash flow from operating activities, yeah, financing activities and investing activities, then we came to know that our net cash flow, friends. Okay. So आजको डिस्कसनमा हामी चाहिँ सिम्पली के गर्यो भने we discuss about the simply what are the basic forms of business organization, friends. We have three forms. One is the sole proprietorship, second भनेको is the partnership form, third भनेको limited company, friends. Now when we do the business, then we are expected the cash flow from three activities, just to get operating activities, financing activities and investing activities, friends. These are the basic crux of, you can say that, yeah, understanding level तपाईले key point बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ before understanding the other part of financial accounting, friends. यही भन्दै म आजको यो भिडियोलाई यही कन्क्लुड गरेँ. यदि आजको कन्टेन्ट तपाईलाई मन परेको छ भने प्लिज लाइक पनि गर्नु होला र मेरो च्यानल दैट इज द फाइनेन्स गुरु पवन कुमार झालाई सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्नु होला. थ्यांक यू all of you for watching this video. Please take care all of you. Thank you.